Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to use Instagram filter on our photos to make our photos better before we post it into our Instagram. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application. Okay, hold on, and now let's do add a photo or just the photo to post. Okay, let's scroll down. I think I would like to share this. Okay, and after that you just need to go click next. You can explore a Instagram filter by go focus on this bottom side. You can see there is a filter as well as an edit, so it's two tools for editing your picture or photos before you post it into your account. Okay, now click the filters, and after that you can explore the filters here. If you want to looking for another just like the screen into the left side, you can click it to apply into your photos. If you want to make it black and white, you can choose this. Okay, you just need to explore which filters that satisfy you. Okay, I think I will let you go with this. And after you're done, you just need to go next and follow all of the instruction before you post it into your account. You can add the captions, and after you're done you can click share. So that's all the way how to use a filter before you post your photo into your Instagram. If you find this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.